When I had my toenail fungus, I had no idea what it was. You couldn't just look it up on the internet because there was no internet. If you were to look on YouTube and type in toenail fungus, all kinds of videos would come up, and I know that because that's the first thing I did. And I actually even looked at a few of them because I wanted to see if any of them used the same home remedy I did. And sure enough, a couple did, but none of them suggested the extra step that I took, which I believe is what made my home remedy work. My doctor prescribed this drug, terbinafine, goes under the brand name Lamisil, and these were tablets that you're supposed to take once or twice a day. Quite remember, but all I do remember is that they were very expensive, and at the time that was just a lot of money for me personally. So I looked up some home remedies, and one of them was tea tree oil. So this is tea tree oil, comes in a little bottle like this. And when I asked the doctor if tea tree oil would work on my toenail, because I had read that it would, and the doctor said, absolutely no way, it can't work because it can't penetrate the nail. So I thought I had a great way for it to be able to penetrate the nail, and here's what I did. I got out my nail file, and then I just filed across the top of my nail, just so that, to roughen it up a little bit, so that it wouldn't be smooth, and so that the tea tree oil could possibly penetrate. And I did that with a Q-tip, put some tea tree oil on the Q-tip, and then just rubbed it across the nail. And I did that twice a day, before bed, every single night, and in the morning. It does take a long time, but it definitely worked, because as time went on, you could see that the new nail was growing out and it was clear, whereas the part with the fungus had turned really dark, almost black. And so it grew out slowly, but it completely cleared up the nail. I've also heard that some people try Vicks Vapor Rub. Some say it works, some say it doesn't. Again, maybe it's the amount that it is able to penetrate the nail. If you have a nail fungus, check with the doctor first, because there are varying degrees of infection, and I know it can get very serious. So I think one of the best things to do is just to prevent it in the first place. There was a reason I always wore my flip-flops in the shower at the gym, and it only took that one time. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. I probably forgot to say some things as usual. So if you have any questions or comments, please enter them in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. This is a variety channel, and you never know what you'll get.